Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on Illustrated PowerPoint 2016 Module 2, SAM Project 1A from sam.cmh. And first thing we have to do, we have to download these two files from SAM and put it side by side. Next thing we can start from getting started. You need to save the file, save as in 2. Okay. So after 1, we have to change it to 2. It's done. So the whole part is saying about to change how to change the file name. So we have done this one. We can make it yellow. And then it's saying about project steps. So this part is not important. So we can skip this one for reading. If you want, you can read as well. Well, it says over here on slide 1, buying your first home, format the text as follows. So this is our slide 1. I selected, and this is the one slide where I have this title. So at section 1A, it says change the character spacing of the title text object to loose. Okay, increase the spacing between letters. Now the letters are a bit closer, so we need to increase the spaces between these letters. So first thing we need to do, this is the title, this is subtitle, right? So this title, I will select whole text and I will look for to make it loose. So I will go to home and I'm looking for where is the loose option. So if it's font, we are changing the font, it should be in the font ribbon and we look for where I can find the loose. So this is strike 2, this is not the one I'm looking for. If I go over here, I can see character spacing. So I'm spacing the characters, right? This is what we said over here. Look for character spacing first. So character spacing, and we are going to make it loose. It was before normal. Normal looks like this one. Buying your first home. If I make it loose, it will look like that. If I make it very loose, it will look very having a lot of spaces between the letters. So my question asks to make it loose, I will keep it loose. Next thing at 1B it says change the font and subtitle text object to Cambria to contrast the title text. So it says font, so I will go to the subtitle text first. So I will select all of them and I have to change over here the font's style to Cambria, right? And just read CAM. See, the rest of the thing is over here. So I will select Cambria, double click. It's done. Let's change to Cambria. Next one at 1C. So this two part is done. I can make it yellow. Next one, it says change the font color of the text Treadwell Real Estate Agency to orange accent 3. So we have to look for theme color palette, 7 column and first row. So first we will select the text which one we have to change. Then we have to go for font color, right? This is font color. So we have to look for, this is theme color, or text highlight color. This one is our font color. So I will click on the arrow and it's asking for the theme color. So this is theme color, this is standard color, and this is color. My question is asking for theme color. So I will stay on this area and it says 7 column and first row. So this is first row, second row, third row, fourth row. And this is the columns 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6, column 7. So this is column 7 and first row. And it is also orange accent 3. I just select this one, done for our part. So this one also done. So next question number 2, asking you to go to slide 2. So first we will go to slide 2. And it asking you to convert the bulleted list to smart art using the hierarchy list. Okay, so bulleted list is a keyword, very important one we should look for. So these are the bulleted list, right? All are bullets. So I will just select this one. If you want to change the bullet style from here, we can also change the bullet style in different one, like this, like that, over here. But it says over here, we have to go to smart art, right? This is the word keyword we are looking for, smart art, using the IT list. So since it's over here, we have to look over here, where is the smart art? So this one, if I see text direction, we don't need this one. This one is align text. That's also we are not looking for. Now, if I come over here, you can see convert to smart art graphic. So this is the word we are looking for, smart art, right? So just click over here and we are looking for this picture. It says a figure like figure one, and it also says hierarchy list. This one is vertical block list. This one is different one. What is it says? If I go over here, vertical picture extend list. This one is continuous picture list. If I go over here, this is the hierarchy list that we are looking for. So select the hierarchy list. Okay. So this one also done for us. And let's look at the number 3 now. So number 3 says, with slide 2 still displaying, apply the moderate effect or smart style over here. So it's already selected. If somehow you deselect this one, you just click again over here. Okay. And we have to look for smarter design. So it's pop up. When I work on this one, it's pop up by itself. Smarter design, and have to look for the on style, and it's asking for moderate effect. So if I look over here, this is not moderate effect. This is white outline. If I go over here, this is the one moderate effect. So I will select this one. So we are done with question 3 as well. Now number 4 is asking you to go slide 3. So I will go to slide 3, and it is asking you to, first question is saying that copy the first green and blue circle on the left, then paste it in the same place, right? So I'll just click over here and I will select the first one, and I will use the Control C to copy, or you can also from here, you can do the Control copy, yeah, copy, and then I will paste over here as well. So it's pasted already. I have another one, and the second line it says, move the circle, just copy it to become to the third circle on the curved line as shown in figure 2. So we look for figure 2. So this is our figure 2. Position the circle on slide 3. Yeah. So it asks you to put this circle over here on the top corner over here. So I will just select this one. So just select outside, just select this one whole thing, and I will move all together. Okay. Don't click inside, otherwise you will move. If I click on inside the circle, double click. If I try to move now, only the green circle is moving. That's what I'm not looking for. I want to move all of them, right? So I just press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. I will again copy and paste, copy, then paste. And then I'm going to move it to the corner over here. Okay. It doesn't mean like exact position. Try to be close as much as possible. Okay. So we are done. Now change the stacking order of the fourth circle so it appears in the front of the curved line. So you see that all of them are on the top of the curved line, right? It's over the curved line, but this one is behind. So we need to get it in the front of the line. So it says in front of the curved line. So I will select it again, and I want to move it to the front. Okay. To move it to front, you can just click on right button. Okay. From outside, okay, click over here again, the blue one, right button. What's going on? So I will click on right button once again. So I get the whole list. It's over here, it says bring to front. So I click on bring to front. It came up to the front. Okay. Done for us. And the last one is saying the fifth shape group the small green circle with the large blue circle. So whenever I click this one, it's already grouped. Both of them are together. But if I click over here, they're separate, right? So if I move something, it's moving separately. If I move this one, it's moving separately. So I can move it together. For this one, look, if I want to move, it's moving together. Just press Ctrl Z to go back. So I have to make them group. So first I will select this one, the small one, and I will select the outer, the blue one with holding the control. You have to hold the control. So select, press the blue one or the green one, hold control key of the keyboard and press the green one. So both of them are selected. Now click on somewhere where I can see the uh, like this and right button. And now we have to group them. Okay. So I will just click on group. Now this one will be together. So it's moving together. It's not separate anymore. Okay. So that's how we are doing number 4. So we can just make it yellow. All of them are done for number 4. Let's go to number 5. Number 5 also is talking about slide 3. So we will still in the slide 3. Okay. And it says on A, change the weight of the shape outline to 2.5 pt. So I have to go to the shape of the outline. So I will just click over here, similar shapes, house. This is a house one, right? Modify the house shape. It's saying that you have to modify the house shape. See similar shapes, later slide as follows. So you have to look at this one. It will be look like this. So I will click on this one and it says the outline should be 2.5 pt. So I have to look for outline for the shape. So we can look at the drawing and we can look at shape outline. So this is the important one, right? Shape outline. So I will just select this one again and we can hold. So this is the important what we are looking for. I have to go to drawing and I will look for shape outline and I have to get the weight. So it's become the size, like change the weight. It says also the weight. So the weight is also an important word. So it's you have to go backward. So first look for shape outline, then look for weight and changes 1, 2.5, 4 pt. So I will go again to drawing, shape outline, and the weight is there, and I have to make it to on 1/4 pt. Select this one, done for us. Last thing is asking for make it offset diagonal bottom right from the outer section of the shadow shapes effect gallery, right? So you have to look for shadow shape effect gallery. So I will just select again this one. Okay. Now I will look for shape format and I see the effects over here somewhere. So this one will be not here. If I click outside, see the shape effects is not there. So when I double click on a shape or maybe this one, the shape format will be there. If I click on this one, the shape format will be there. So you have to click on now shape format tab. So shape format tab will be hidden. Then whenever you click on a shape, it will be appear on the top with the other tabs. So select on the shape format and look for shape effect. Because it says over here, you have to look for shape effect. Okay. Then you have to look for outer section of the shadow. So let's go backward. First you look for shape effect, then look for shadow, then look for outer section, then look for bottom right, offset diagonal, bottom right. So I will go to shape effect. So it's already selected. Shape affected. Then I will go to shadow, then outer, and now I have to look for offset diagonal bottom right. So it is only offset bottom right, right? Look for, can I see offset diagonal bottom right or not? Let's see, offset top left, offset center, right? Okay. Oh, this is the one, first one, offset bottom right. So we are just selecting offset bottom right. Done for us for number 5. Let's put yellow colors to show it's done. Number 6. Number 6 again is still in the slide 3, so we will not move to anywhere else. We'll stay here. So it says that on oval callout shape. So this one is the important one. We have to look for oval callout shapes. So over here, this one we call oval callout. Callout means we will call this something, right? So this is oval callout shape. So I will double click on this one. And it says we have to make the shape to moderate effect red. So whenever I click this one, you see the shape style appear for shape format. Now we will have to look for Moderate effect red. So just click on this one. So slowly look over here. This is not red. Outline something. This is something else over here. If I come, moderate effect, red accent 6. That we are looking for, right? So I just click on it. So it become red. And also it says apply preset 3 from the present section of the shape effects gallery. So shape effects gallery, you have to look for the shape effects gallery. Then you have to look for preset section. Then I have to look for preset 3. So this is the shape effects. It's already selected. I don't have to select again. I have to look for preset, then preset gallery, and I have to look for preset 3, right? This is 1, should be 2, this one should be 3. Let's select 3. So we are done. And it asks you to enter the rand by in the shapes. So you can either copy, paste, or you can write it down. So I will just copy and paste this one until the question word. I'll do Control C or copy. And I will come over here, double click on the shape, then right button. I can paste it over here with the text. Okay. So we have to add a text on this one. So I will click on this one and look for edit text. So look for edit text. Now I can write anything I like over here. So instead of Control V, I will use the paste option with the last one, right? Paste with the text only. Keep text on. Don't use this one. So otherwise it will become bold. But our requirement is to match with the format is done on PowerPoint. See over there. So we are done. You can also write it down. So these things are also done. So it looks similar like this. And the last one is saying use Smart Guide to position the shape. So the callout position points to the first circle on the curved line as shown in figure 3. So it's over here now. I have to put it down. So whenever I try to move it, just move, select outside, then select again over here. You see there's a line coming up, right? So I have to match just exactly lines like this. I will just put over here. I cannot see the lines like in the picture. So slowly trying to move. So the right line is appeared, but the left line is not appeared yet. The horizontal line, right? So I got the horizontal line now, and I got the vertical line as well. So this is the exact position where I have to place. There should be left one, horizontal line and the red line and the vertical red line. So it's exactly position. This is called Smart Guide to position. This is the Smart Guide, okay? So I'm done for 6 as well. So I just make it yellow. Now I have to go to number 7. Number 7 is, so we are end of slide 3. So we have nothing to do more in slide 3. We have done a lot. Now let's go to number 4. Okay, ready for number 4? So number 4 is easy. It says select the house shape, then select the arrow, merge the two shapes using the combine command. So this is the house shape. I will select first, hold the control button in the keyboard and select the second one also. Now we have to combine these two with the combine command, right? The merge. So again, we have to go look for merge option in the shape format, right? So I will click on the shape format and look for the merge option. So it should be inside shape area, the ribbon. So I go over here. This one is something else. This one is the merge shapes. So we have to look for the merge shapes, right? With the option with combine. So I will click and look, I got the combine option. So we got the picture as well. So I just select the combine option to combine both of them. Okay. Now it will look like the figure 4. Before it was green, now it's white. All right. So number 7 also done. Let's go to number 8. Number 8 says go to number 5. So we are done with slide 4. We'll select slide number 5. Okay. And it asks you to rotate the pentagon shapes. So this is our pentagon shape and rotate it to left 90 degrees. So I will double click on this one to select. So my shape format again, shape format tab is there. I will select the shape format. Okay. Now I need to find the rotate. So it's like something with the arrange ribbon. If I select this one, it says align objects. We don't need this one. If I come over here, it should say rotate objects, right? So we are going to rotate this one with rotate left 90 degree. So this is the one we are going rotate left 90 degree. Now again, it says move the people over the pentagon, 4 people, right? So over here, 4 people. I have to move over the pentagon using the smart positioning system as we did before. So I will just go over here, select this one and put it like, so it should be a middle line and also a vertical line. So I can see the vertical red line and also the middle red line, the horizontal red line, right? So exactly matching with the figure. So I will just leave it. So I'm done. Now it says with slide 5 still displaying, switch the outline view, then enter text to complete the slide as follows. Okay, so I can go to the outline view. So slowly I go over here and I see outline view now. So if I click on this one, so over here we can get views, slideshow, reading view, slide sorter. You can go to normal. We can go to next like that, right? So you can click on normal. Okay. So whenever we want to see our slides in different way, we can also go from view. Okay. Then we can click on the outline view. Because it says the view, so always look for the view tab. Now I will click on outline view. Okay. Now we have to click on number 5 and we have to use the text. Do you have a team as a slide title? And enter this one as the first bulleted item like this, right? Or otherwise, we can also do the same thing over here. So I can write it over here. So I can copy. Do you have a team? Just copy the question until question work. Control C. Again, remember when we paste this one, we have to go home and option, paste with the last one, keep text only. Then it's asking for the bulleted one. So I'll copy this one. It's very simple over here. When I come over here, you can use the right button and use the paste option only. Same thing for lender. I can copy and I will press 1 enter and I will paste it over here. So there's extra space, right? When I copy, I was wrong. So I will delete the extra space on this one. So I will just press enter again to get the third one. So when I copy this one, make sure you copy, don't copy extra space, okay? I copy inspector, copy, then over here, right button with the paste option only, text only. Okay, so number 9 also done. The next thing is asking for display the side number. So add a footer. So we have to look for footer. This is important keyword. And enter the following text over here, the tradable real estate, and show the title text. So we're gonna need this one later. So I will copy this one first instead of writing it. So I don't want to copy the space. Just copy over here. Then I have to go to find the footer. Okay. To find the footer, we have to select the footer option. So I will go to the normal option. I will not need to go to view. I'll go to normal. Okay. So we not need to insert the footer. So I will go to insert, add and insert the same thing, right? So when I put the insert and now need to add text in the footer area. This is our footer area. This is header area. So I will look for text. And if I see header and footer. So select header and footer. It say we have to add slide number. So I will select the slide number. And I also have to put footer. And I already copied the tradewell real estate, right? You can also write it down. I will press Ctrl V. Okay, so there is no extra space before and after. Okay, and the last thing is asking to you show the footer on all slides except the title slide. So don't show on title slide. So we have to select this one also. Now we have to click on apply to all slides. Okay. So apply this thing to all slides. So select this one. So see everywhere I can see 5. This one is done for 4, 3, 2, 1. But on the page number 1, nothing is there. But for other, because it says title 1, we should not. This is title slide, so we should not put the footer over here. Okay. So next thing it says if you want to see the presentation in sorter view, click on the sorter view. Now it will should look like similar like this. So I will just make it. This looks like similar. Okay. So if I can zoom in, you can see more nicer way to look all the slides together. That's it. Now we need to save it and upload it in the SAM. Okay. So I think we didn't start. Yeah, we have to go to SAM. Okay. And if you want to go to the student view, activity list. So we have to look for PP module 2, PP module 2, 1A, right? This is my project. I will click over here, start. So I already have downloaded it. So I will just go to continue and upload the file from the desktop, right? This is the file we have. Okay. My file is not matching because we are using different file to upload and download. Inshallah, it will be work for you guys. Okay. Let me know if you have questions. All the best wishes. Okay. So stop share and stop the recording.